again. For today we have a quite similar topic than last time. We are going to look at COUNTIF and COUNTIFs. These functions are quite similar to SUMIF and SUMIFs, and often the same mistakes are made with these functions, and so we're going to see a little bit about that. And I have again little data prepared. So let's get started. Like always, we are going to enter the function, and we already see that it's range and criterion. So it's a little bit different than sum, but we have one less, and we can just, like in sum, we can put an area and range. In range and in criterion we can put a single number, we can put in a cell another. So yes, and for today we only want to know how many times they sell something in this little cell. So we take this range because we want to find the same name. And that's everything for the COUNTIF. The only thing you have to take a look at is if this range that you entered in there is fixed or not fixed. Right now it's not fixed, so if I copy it, just enter it in here, and if I copy it, then you see that the area moves. That's something we don't want, so we're going to fix the area, and now we can copy it down and it's still the same. And so we have our COUNTIF. The next thing is COUNTIFs. COUNTIFs is quite similar to COUNTIF, but we can have more than one criteria. So you have always a criteria range and a criteria. It's always these two, they belong together. If you don't enter both of them, then Google Sheets is going to complain about it. So we can now enter the name first, and from there, and then we can enter the product and compare that with this one. And again, the same thing, we have to fix the areas, and also this specific we have to fix the column of the name because it should always be E, and the row of the product. So these, and then we fix the criterion range. Then we can enter that, and we can click on autofill. It will automatically fill that for us, and we can just pull it over and pull it down, and we have our little data visible for us. And that's everything. If you want to learn only one, then I would recommend you learn COUNTIF. COUNTIFs, because COUNTIFs is, it doesn't matter if COUNTIFs has one criteria or 10 criteria, where COUNTIF only wants one. You can't enter more. So if you only want to learn one, I would recommend you COUNTIFs. And then I would jump over to Excel, and we do the same there. So here we are in Excel, and we have the same little table, and we're going to do the same here. So we have COUNTIF again with range and criteria, so it's the same, and we can just put that in again, fix the range. If you want to know how fixing the range exactly works, I will make a video about that and put it somewhere up, maybe in the description down. I'm not sure yet, but you will find it. So we have that, and again we can just pull it down and have the same. And COUNTIFs is also the same. You can do exactly the same as in Google Sheets. And again, we have to fix the areas and also the row of the product and the column of the name. And then we can again just push it over, and we have all the same as in Google Sheets. And that's basically everything. There is no magic trick for you to know. For that, that's everything you need to know about COUNTIF and COUNTIFs. So you can now click on my last video and look again for SUMIF and SUMIFs, or you can check out as soon as a new video came. It's on the other side.